Hi, I'm Brian Thompson. I run design and delivery for Marmot, and we're excited for Spring 18 to be launching our new EVODry collection. So EVODry is a huge step forward in performance for rain shells, and what's so exciting about EVODry is we've been able to find a way to create a DWR finish that lasts the entire life of the garment, will never wear out, never wash out, doesn't need to be retreated to keep its water repellency. And the great thing about it, it's done in a way that uses no water, so that it's got a great environmental story to it. We also are excited that we use some yarns, that we did solution dyeing of the yarns. So the yarns also in the dyeing process, we use no water, and the color will last the life of the garment. Often you're out in extreme conditions and your color will fade over time. The color of these pieces will last the entire life of the garment. So the EVODry collection is something we're really excited about. You'll see more styles in the range coming in next fall, next spring, as we tend to expand the program out even further.